I missed the best part. I missed the motorcycles. It's the Crazy Water Festival. I can't believe I missed the motorcycles. Oh my God. At least we got the Jeeps. And then we got the old cars. But I missed the motorcycles with the flags on them. I always think I start this stupid thing and then I don't. And then we got Mouth over there. Look at that old car. Now that's my kind of car right there. Awesome. Look at all of them. Sweet. Look at all of them. Old buggies. They're heading up there to town. Oh, Grandma driving her sports car. Where's all the old ones? Here comes some more old ones. Oh my God, you're so noisy. I mean, I might have missed the motorcycles, but I was just fixing to come back to the park and see all this. And I had to go pick up a pizza for a customer. And then this happens. It's like, this is great timing. This just made my night. Even though I missed the motorcycles with American flags on them. Because that's just how I roll. I just miss out on the best shit sometimes. Oh, I want a sports car again. So much fun. Woohoo! There they go. I can't even go until they all go anyway. The cops are behind us, stopping everybody on that side. So I'm a-waiting. I can't go anywhere. I'm just gonna be watching all the people go by. Otherwise I'll be part of the train. They don't want my 2011 Toyota. Wonder where the ZZ Top car is. That's a nice car. Oh, look at that beauty. That green one. Oh, and the yellow one. Emerald, leave everybody alone. They're watching the parade. I think I'm going to be stuck here for a while.